In the ancient lands of Gaul, where thunder rolled across the skies and the mists of battle lingered in the air, a fierce and indomitable force arose. These were the Gauls, warriors of unmatched strength, feared across the ancient world. With wild hair flowing and faces painted in the hues of war, the Gaulish warriors charged into battle with an unrelenting fury. Their war cries echoed through the valleys as they wielded massive swords and shields, striking terror into the hearts of their enemies. The strength of the Gaulish warrior was not just in his weapon, but in his very being. Muscular, fierce, and determined, each warrior was a living embodiment of his people's spirit. With every swing of his sword, he fought not just for victory, but for the survival of his tribe. But among them stood one who would rise above all, Vercingetorix. A leader of legendary renown, he united the Gaulish tribes under a single banner. His voice commanded respect, and his presence on the battlefield inspired fear in the hearts of his foes. Under his leadership, the Gauls defied the greatest empire of the ancient world. The clash between Rome and the Gauls was inevitable. In a scene of raw power and intense rivalry, the disciplined ranks of Roman soldiers faced off against the wild ferocity of the Gaulish warriors. Shields clashed, swords met, and the earth trembled under the weight of their struggle. It was a battle that would shape the fate of Europe. Though the Gauls would eventually fall to Rome, their spirit never faded. As the sun set on their lands, the warriors stood tall, their legacy etched into the very soil they fought upon. The Gauls, more than just warriors, they were legends. Their strength, their unity, and their defiance remain a powerful symbol of resistance against the tides of history.